how to enable the satellite mode for your Google Maps application. So hey guys, if you wish to enable the satellite mode for your Google Maps application on Android or iOS devices, then this video is for you. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable the satellite feature, as it is more visually appealing to watch, and also it gives you a fair idea about the neighborhood or the particular location you are looking at. So to do this, all you need to do is click onto this button present along the right hand side of your mobile screen. Once you'll click onto this button, you can see this particular menu, and from this menu you have this second option under the map type, which is the satellite option. So simply click onto this satellite button and then close this tab, and here you can see that now our map has converted into a satellite mode, and you can see the buildings and roads and other topography very easily compared to the default mode. So that was pretty easy, and if this video was any helpful to you, do make sure to drop a like. Tell us in the comments if that worked for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting content and helpful videos. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.